Welcome to Cozy Homes Renovations.
Innovative concepts to change your external front door. Your front entrance is the first thing people see when they visit your home or business, so it's important to make sure it looks great. Creative front entrance design ideas can help you transform your workspace into a creative and inviting space that both visitors and employees can appreciate. Using creative outside front entrance ideas, you can add the artwork to the walls, use colorful lighting fixtures for an uplifting look, or incorporate floral motifs in the area to increase its aesthetic appeal. Additionally, you can personalize the outside of your building by using decorating ideas, such as a customized logo sign or attractive planters. You don't need a lot of resources or time to bring out the unique character of your workspace. Just some imagination and creativity will do. Assemble an indoor atmosphere to feel at home before you're even through the front door. The linear look. The horizontal timber boards of this modern door design complement the shallow steps that led to it and the staircase that climbs to the rear entrance. Fins fashioned into the side of the concrete facade elevate the linear aesthetic. L-shaped steps carve out the opportunity for a long and deep planter by the doorway. Generate character in a modern setting. This fabulous three-piece shuttered front door design sets a scene's strength and charm at the same time. Large bowl planters flank either side of the concrete stoop, alive with tiny pricks of intense red flowers. Natural meets modern. These rugged stone walls make wonderfully cooling contrast with the golden wood frame front door. A white path and white concrete roof slice cleanly between the dark gray masses. Build perceived status with elegant statues. A collection of art sculptures adorn this home entrance, elevating and dramatizing the approach. They make a perfect introduction to a house filled with more masterpieces. A sweeping pathway presents opportunity for shapely plant beds. Turf fillers draw emerald outlines. More beautiful traditional Japanese inspiration, this time from a large Zen garden. An arid garden shapes this front entrance, planted with spiky succulents and uniform rows of round cacti. Large paving slabs vibe with a wide slab-like front door design. An elbow canopy constructs a sense of intimacy from an angled approach. Another perfectly balanced front door entrance, this time with twin trees, benches, and wall sconces. Broader bodies of water give a home entrance a floating effect. Wood adds a wealth of warmth to monochrome home exteriors. This cool stone and black powder-coated metal architecture becomes infinitely more welcoming with the rich timber addition. Play with solid volumes and voids, like this concrete picture frame courtyard. Inspiration from Japan. Japanese-inspired screen doors reveal hints of a Zen courtyard through black lattice, allowing one green space to link to the next. Low-key but aglow with lanterns. This looks like a place where they always keep the home fires burning and fresh tea in the pot. full-height floor-to-ceiling doors. This front door has no containing upper or lower framework, giving the entranceway seamless grandeur. Sliding glass doors allow the house to stand open to the garden in a welcoming indoor-outdoor living style. Exclusively suited to those who live on a gated property, unless you want strangers wandering in off the street. A different take on the Japanese shoji-inspired entrance. The theatrical entryway. A wide pivot door spins an elaborate first impression between two gorgeous palm trees on this property. Angular windows have been cut out of a concrete walled courtyard between. A circular pool is set center stage to playfully disrupt the walkway. Wide steps have dormant potential as concrete planters. Hollow out about half of each step to plant a picture-perfect pathway of slow-growing shrubs. People are intrinsically drawn to waterfalls, and this 7-foot water feature has stunning allure by a floating pathway. Note how the front door timber and wood siding horizontally contrast with the fall. Whether you have space for planters or not, greenery can grow a welcoming touch. Plant a vertical garden full of different leaf sizes for a deeply textured garden wall that looks like a living work of art. Cut a sweeping entrance with a curved canopy. This one has a circular skylight to elaborate on the curvaceous theme. Cutaways also allow sunlight-hungry plants to be enriched when planted deep within covered doorways.